Nananawagan po ako ngayon sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan na hindi pa kumikilos upang panagutin ang mamamatay tao na Pangulo ng Bansa. Sa mga miyembro ng kabinete ni Pangulong Duterte, maaari niyong isalba ang bansang ito mula sa isang kriminal na Pangulo sa pamamagitan ng pagdeklara na dahil sa kanyang kriminal na pag-iisip ay wala siyang kakayahan na gampanan ang mga katungkulan ng isang Pangulo. Meron naman ng constitutional provision under Article 7 of the 1987 Constitution that by a majority of the members of the cabinet, they can actually make a declaration that the president is incapable of performing his functions. Nakasabi ho doon, incapacity to perform his duties and functions. It's a broad term. Incapacity, permanent or temporary, physical or mental. And I think physical and mental incapacity applies to the specific situation of our president. There have been a lot of talk, issues about the state of the physical health of the president now. In fact, it's very sensitive about it. Why don't they disclose the real state of health, physical health of the president? Tapos itong mga disclosures na ito, this goes into the mental health of the president. Now you have a president with a criminal mind.